Alright, so here is my third and final game. This game is from identifor.com. Clearly I already have been looking at it. It started. This is finding the same to even it out. So let's see. I'm not really sure what side it's asking for, so I guess that's a little confusing. It did not give me a grade level for this. I'm gonna assume... So I guess I'm gonna assume that it's the opposite on each side. I keep getting points for it, not sure what the points are adding up to. This side... Okay, I'm just genuinely confused. So overall, I think this game, no, I did not enjoy this game. I wouldn't necessarily play this game again. I think it's really confusing. It would be super confusing for my students if I don't understand it in the first place. Not understanding the logic to the seesaw. I get, obviously, you're supposed to even it out and find even weights. So this is not something I would use. It'd probably be more so on the end of entertainment for students. It's not very good for the education side. Yeah, I'm really not impressed.